वृंदावन प्यारो वृंदावन हेवन। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। आ जाओ और छा जाओ। लेट्स फर्स्ट कॉपी द लिंक और शेयर करें हर जगह पे फटाफट से। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग कृष्णा साधु जी, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। चलिए चलिए, आप लोग क्वेश्चन तब तक पूछते रहे, तब से मैं हर जगह पे ज़रा पोस्ट कर दूं सो दैट कोई मुझे ये ना कहे कि हमें नहीं मिला लिंक। ओके, सो कीप आस्किंग योर क्वेश्चंस। गुड मॉर्निंग कृष्णा साधु जी, हाउ आर यू टुडे? हाउ वाज योर वीक एंड डिड यू मेक एनी प्रॉफिट? कैसा रहा आपका दिन, आपका वीक कैसा रहा? एंड प्रॉफिट आपने बनाया या आपने ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट की या? सो थैंक यू। यस, सो डिड यू मेक एनी प्रॉफिट? I will just share my links to all the social media and other channels वगैरह. I'm new to trading, sir. Mostly I am watching the trading during training session. Yes, yes. Okay. Even that will do. Keep watching when you feel very confident of all the trades or how we are trading or how we are proceeding with each and every trades. Then only enter after getting full confidence on my trades. So how did you feel? Like, how was your experience? I would like to ask you, because you are new, so you will be very frank and you will be honest. I want to know what is your opinion and what can be your suggestion for the future trades so that I can implement them also. And so I feel I have made my point. Okay, so what do you expect me to do further? Like, is there any changes or anything that you want me to do, like any improvement or any, like, you know what I mean? I want to know your point of view, because after all you are new, so you will be very frank and you will not lie, at least. Okay, so levels were given that day only, so we will not be going into that. Okay, Friday को ही levels share कर दिए गए थे, so we are not worried about that. Okay, no sir, I think your levels are very accurate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Krishna ji. I need to understand how you analyze the market. Oh, it is a very long thing. You will understand. I am pretty sure those who stay with me for a longer period of time ultimately get to know how I select stocks, how I trade, how I give the levels. It is just a matter of time that you have to stay consistent in the group, and you have to analyze and keep asking your doubts, how I am doing, what I am doing, what can be done. So this is the way you will get to know how I am doing this. Okay, it is a long history. I have done enough studies and research in market like around 5 years. So this is how I get to know each and every signals levels. It is quite a long, I would say, a very tiring process that I've gone through. So, but I will not allow you all to go through all that. That is why I'm here, and I want all of you to stay consistent with the process and just keep learning what I'm trying to convey to you, what I'm trying to teach to you. Just keep on learning, keep on observing things, keep asking your doubts, keep asking your questions, because ultimately your questions will only tell me how much you know or how much you want to know. So I will teach everything. I don't want to keep all the knowledge with me. I don't like to go with that. I want to have all things to be implemented. Like I want a community of good traders who are making daily regular profit, and for that I have to somehow teach how I pick up the stocks, how I trade, how I give the levels, how I check which level is important, which is not. So I want to share all my learnings, but the issue is people don't ask the right questions. Okay, so I hope you understand what am I trying to say, and don't worry. I know you will proceed with good trades and huge profits in further future. Just keep consistent in the group and try to analyze each and everything that I am posting, what I am giving as charts, as signals, that are very, very, very important. But people don't understand them. Slowly, when you get to know the knack of my trading style, my trading skill, you will understand what I am posting, why I am posting. Thank you very much, sir, for your knowledge sharing. Thank you so much. It is very helpful for beginners like me. Yes, yes, sure, sir. I have a. Please proceed with the questions. Proceed with the questions. Praises and thank you वगैरह तो होते रहेंगे. I want the questions, because once you start with the questions, I will be like more than happy to teach. In strike prices you give buy above CMP, how to identify these levels where the momentum will pick up or make a fight. Okay, what strategy has been applied here, sir? Okay, so there are multiple indicators and levels which I keep on like. First of all, let me show you here only. So this is Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty. So there are 4 important levels which I mark first. Okay, these are very easy level, and anyone can draw this. Okay, so these are very I would say crude levels which everyone should have on their system, whether they are trading or not. Okay, so first of all is previous high and previous low. So these two can be plotted very easily. You go to like daily candle and you plot the previous high and previous low. Okay, then strong above and weak below. So if you feel a gap, a region where very much of the time the market has tested the level, so that will become a strong above or the weak below level. Okay, so I hope you understand these 4 levels. And next comes my options level. Like suppose we are going with right now is 53,600. Let's take an option. Okay, Bank Nifty options 53,600. Okay, let's see 53,600 put. Okay, we can go any level, can do it, will be the same for everything. Okay, like you can see if the market next next day, coming day, market opens in this range, anywhere in this range, and keeps hovering here. Okay, keeps hovering here, then you know very well that if it breaks the upper level, it will go for a call side, and if it breaks the lower level, it will go for the put side. Okay, so this is how you can identify a level. Okay, so these levels are very important. These levels are very important, considering market always follows the technicals. Market always follows the technicals. There are very few instances when market don't follow the technicals. This may be due to any news, any sudden changes, any new infusion of the money, etc. But what is important is you should know how to check the levels, how to draw the levels, how to keep your like buy, where to buy, where to sell. You have to know all these things. I hope I am very clear with that. So if any more question, please. And that 50, 100, 150 points are because whenever the bank nifty moves, it generally gives 30 to 50 points of the momentum. So whenever a strong momentum is there, you can safely make 150 points out of bank nifty easily. If there is a momentum, even a small momentum will give at least a 150 points of but it will fluctuate. Okay, it will not go straight away 150 points. It will go like 30 points, and then it come back to minus 20 points, minus 30 points, and then it will go back to 50 points, and then it will come back to 20 points, and then it will go back again. So this happens. Market never goes in a straight line. Okay, so you have to be cautious for that. Next question. Do you have any indicators to analyze the momentum? Oh, it is very easy. You can see like volume. I would say this is the best indicator. If you, I have kept. You can see my indicator list. These are 4 indicators that are on the chart, and this are RSI, MFI, EMA. This is my own made indicator. Volume, VWAP, BSC. These are all the indicators that I have right now put on my system. So you can see that RSI, MFI. So I have kept at least 6 to 7 indicators on the system, and along with that, I keep on reading the chart patterns as well as OI patterns, OI levels, option chain. So this all combine give me the level that I plot in the market, or the buying levels which I give in the market. So you can take anything like for momentum, you can check volume. Volume is a very good indicator if you can learn how to use it. So volume is a very good indicator for momentum. If you see like volume is going continuously above and above, that means there is a huge momentum that is going to come. Like for example, this is the fall market. Okay, this is Thursday market, 8th of May. Market fell like anything in the last hours of the last few minutes of the market. Okay, so it was a very good prediction that you can take a carry forward for the put side. Okay, so market would have gone open in a negative side or the gap down side. So you have made you could have made some profit, but I would not suggest overnight carrying. But I am giving just an example that you can see the level of the volumes which is keep on growing like anything. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Why others are not joining and chatting? Understood. Thank you so much. Tell me. Keep asking other question. Few more questions. You told me that you have so few questions to ask. So keep on asking. Keep on asking. If volume is increased, either price goes up or down, it follows same trend. If volume is increased, either price goes up or down, it follows same trend. I don't understand what you are trying to say, but let me tell you how to use volume, so you will be clear with that. Like for example, uh, here, okay, so this is sideways market. Okay, the market is very sideways. You can see market is not moving quite much. This is Nifty, so we can switch to Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty has good amount of volume, that is why I am shifting to it. So you can see the market is sideways. The this is, you can see here the orange, I mean if volume is increasing, price is face falling, it will fall further downside. Yes, 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 yes. If the, that is what I was trying to tell you, that if the market is going up and the volume is continuously rising, so you are safe to bet on the bullish side or the call side. But if the volume is uh, increasing on the negative side and the market is also falling, then you can safely bet for the put side or the bearish side. Okay, this was this is what I was trying to teach you here. Like you can see, if this is visible to you, this is orange line, this is the median line. You can see the volume metric. Let me change it to yellow. Okay, it will be very visible for you. Okay, so this is yellow line, which is median line. Okay, this median line, this is very important line. Why? Because this shows that whether the volume is up to the previous trend or not. Okay, so if the volume is crossing this line, like here you can see the yellow line has been broken by the volume here, so you can safely bet for a put side. Okay, you can safely bet for a put side. You can enter here, the volume rose again, you can see the fall. This fall is very strong, and you will see the option shooting like anything. You will get like 200 points or 250 points in a 5 minute 10 minutes candle only. So I would say that you have to work more on this volume indicator. If you can just master any of this indicator like RSI, MFI, volume, then also you can take safe bets, and you can make good profits. Like you can see here, the last candle has a green wick. Okay, and the volume has breached the yellow line. Okay, so you can safely bet for a call side. Also the considering the India Pakistan war has been ceasefire, so you can expect a gap up opening. So anyone who is carrying calls from this day, Friday, will make good amount of money tomorrow morning. Okay, it is actually easy. Volume chart is very easy. I have also shared it many a times in the channel also. Like if the volume is increasing and the price is going down, then you can safely bet for a put side. And if the volume is increasing and the price is rising, then you can safely bet for a call side. Okay, very bullish side. So these are like simple ways to get a hold of a trade. Okay. Like here also you can see the green candle, the volume here on the green candle is so big, but the candle made is indecisive. That means the buyers have failed to make a huge green candle. So that means the selling pressure is very much. So next candle, if it breaks the yellow line, you can safely bet for a put side. And this is the trend. You can see such a huge trend, 700 points. What is the blue line? Oh, that is this. I guess you are asking for this blue line. This is the VWAP line. This is a VWAP line, volume weighted average price. So it gives a ratio of the volume and the weight of the, like volume and the weight of the like price action. So it is a kind of a ratio which gives an average ratio of the previous candles, and it is plotted. If the market goes above this, then you can safely go for a call side, and if the market stays below this, you can bet for a put side. So this is also you can also use here volume as well as VSC sorry VWAP. Like in this candle you can see the volume has breached the candle had breached the blue line, but I didn't said any entry at this level. Why? Because the volume was not up to the mark. Volume was not up to the mark. That is why I, in our channel, we didn't traded this strong bullish candle, as you can see. Okay, yes, it is actually the indicators actually give you a perspective or give a confirmation of your own trade. They don't give you trades. Okay, generally the new beginners think that indicators will give you trade. That is not the case. Indicators only confirm your trade. If you can like analyze and somehow get to know where the trade is happening or going to come, so you can get the confirmation through that indicators helps to like analyze your trade, not it doesn't gives you trade. I will combining VWAP with EMA to take trades. Okay, so as you can see, this is my EMA line. This is 9 EMA, green one, and the red one is 21 EMA. Okay, so here we can see this was a sideways there, so we will not be going in that, but if we can see here, the VWAP will not be showing here. Okay, so on this day, on like 8th of May, Thursday, VWAP was near here. Okay, near this range, and this candle closed below the VWAP. Okay, this candle closed below the VWAP. Simultaneously the volume shoot above the yellow line, and this my EMA crossover happened here, and the sell signal I got here. So this was a sell signal, and you can safely bet for a put side or bearish side, and you could have made good profit. Like you can see around 500 points market fell from 600 level to 100. So market fell around 500 points. Option could have gone like bomb, so you could bet that. You will get to know everything, each and everything. These are very easy, and you just have to stay in the market and keep observing things what I am trying to convey to you, or what I am teaching to you. Actually, that's why we should not trade only with oscillators. Yes, sell signal for EMA crossover. Yes, that yes, this sell signal for EMA crossover. Similarly, I got this buy signal on the EMA crossover. This is my made indicator. I have made this indicator. So whenever the crossover happens, the crossover gives me the sell and the buy signal. Even if I trade on this sell and buy signal also, I will be in profit, except for sideways days. Other days I get good like good signals and make good profits. This is my own made indicator. I am very proud of it. I coded it like 3 days in a row. Why others are not joining? Keep asking question. If others will not be joining, so we will just close the terminal. Okay, today is Mother's Day also, so many much we celebrating it. Thank you, great work. How to identify whether the price sustains the breakout or breakdown levels. Okay, like fake breakout. You are asking me how to identify a fake breakout, I guess. So like I said this, okay, in this was a perfect breakout, okay. A lot of calls. Yes, yes. Last week was a very sideways market, so false breakout are very, very, very common in such markets. So stay cautious. If anyone will say that this is a perfect breakout, okay, this is a perfect breakout. This blue line is a perfect breakout. Why? Because the market, the candle has closed above the master candle, okay, and also it has closed above the VWAP, okay. Simultaneously it has closed above the 9 EMA line, so this is a perfect breakout. But I didn't trade. Why? First reason, I told you that volume was not supportive. Volume was rather less than the previous candle, okay. So volume was less than the previous candle, even then it tried to breach. So first reason. Second reason, RSI, you can see RSI, it doesn't cross this 40 line also, okay. So 50 तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So that was a second reason. Third, MFI, you can see the divergence, the level of divergence, it is below, it is giving a dip. So that means that this breakout will not sustain. So that is why I didn't trade. I didn't give any trade here. Okay. It is very easy to predict such fake breakouts and save your capital and like stay out of the market and save your capital and wait for the proper confirmation before taking any trade. Okay. I hope you understood. Like, it was a very perfect breakout. The candle closed above the master candle, EMA के above candle ने close किया. Third, it was a strong candle, पूरा का पूरा swing के above ऊपर close किया. Even then I didn't trade. Why? Because यहाँ पे हमारा volume didn't support, RSI didn't support, MFI didn't support. So all confirmations, all indicators should align with the trade. Only then we can trade. We don't want कि FOMO में आके trading करना है. No, that's not the way we have. We are not trading like that. We don't trade like that actually. Whenever there is a proper confirmation, only then we will enter into a trade, or else we will stay out of the market and we won't be trading. Okay. Tell me any more questions, please. इतने सारे views तो आ रहे हैं. Why are others silent? Why don't they ask me question? आप लोग क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे हो? हिंदी, इंग्लिश, थोड़ा मराठी भी चल जाएगा. Please tell me, ask me. Okay, both MFI RSI should be rising for a trendy market. For a bullish side, you should have MFI and RSI going above the 50 line, and for a bearish market, RSI MFI should go below the 50 line. Okay. Tell me. If others don't ask, so we will after you complete your questions, we will wind it up. Okay. You alone has asked so many questions. I just love people asking me questions and questions and more questions. I just love to answer and teach. So keep on asking. If you have finished your questions, then you can tell me. We will wind it up early. Okay. No need to wait for like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock for the for questions to come. No problem, Krishna ji. No problem. Where are you from, Krishna? Krishna Sadhu. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. I will be waiting for your doubts. I will be waiting for your doubts. You have asked most genuine questions. I like people asking genuine questions. Eh, else other just come and sir, where are you from? What did you do? Do you have any other job? Do you do anything? So I don't like. I'm from Hyderabad. Oh yes, yes, yes. Very nice. Whenever I will be planning to come to Hyderabad for any like trading session and other, and I will just let you know so that we can connect at least. खाने का व्यवस्था हो जाएगा. I will have something to eat. I'm purely vegetarian, okay? So if that's it, that's all your questions were. So we will just wind it up. No need to wait for others. No need to go for others. Like others have joined, but they are not asking questions. So why why give them so much of limelight? Okay. So that's it. Yes. So that's it. Is that bye? Let's wind up. Then we will not wait for others to join since we have given them half an hour, but they have not. They have joined, but they have not asked any questions. So that means they don't have any question. So we will just wind it up and we will close the system and I will do my job. Okay. Thank you very much. Important stuff today. I will be more than happy to teach you anything you want. Okay. So don't worry about that. Just keep in the just stay in the loop and keep a note of all the doubts you get throughout the week. Okay. Any doubt, whether small or large, why I did this level, why I did that level, why we are not trading that candle, we are not giving any signal. You can ask anything you want, but keep a note along with you so that you will be ready with all your questions by the end of the week and you can be sure by the start of the week that you know everything and you can trade easily. Okay. So let's find it up then. And it was very nice to talk to you. We'll be waiting for your doubts next week. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay safe. And we will just wind it up. Okay. Bye. Have an important, nice, trendy week. Bye.